Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to refer Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen on the bottom right corner, you're gonna see Me option. Tap on it, then you'll see options like Check My VIP, Family and Earn Money. Tap on Earn Money, then you'll see a huge Invite Now option. Tap on it, then go ahead and share the link to WhatsApp, Facebook or other social media app. And guys, that's it. That's how you refer Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.